Let's take a look at this problem. We're given region 1, we've got 12 numbers. In region 2, we've got 16 numbers. And we want to construct a 95% confidence interval, the difference between the mean of region 1 and the mean of region 2, around 3 decimal places. Well, we're finding, we've got 2 populations, 2 samples, and we're finding the confidence interval. So we're going to be first entering these numbers into the calculator. So press my Stat button, enter on Edit, and under L1 I'm going to put in region 1. So I got 535, I got 805, 750, 795, 345, 825, 875, 850, 810, 630, 950, and 710. Double check my numbers. 710, 950, 630, 810, 850, 875, 825, 345, 795, 750, 805, 535. Okay. Now go to L2. If I can change the size of this. Let's see, 740, 830, 710, 800, 935, 370, 740, 830, 710, 800, 935, 370, 890, 810, 625, 890, 810, 625, 945, 708, 892, 525, 655, 271, and 990. And been checking it as I've been going along, but we'll check the last numbers here. Okay, that looks right. Okay, so we put region 1 in L1 and region 2 in L2. So let's exit out. We'll do second mode, and we'll go to Stat. And always over here, the 2 that's in front of it refers to your 2 population and 2 populations, 2 samples. Now this one right here, the question is whether sigma is given or not. And in this one, sigma 1 and sigma 2 are not given. So that means that we can't use the Z, but we got to instead use T. As you come down here, see there's 2 samp Z test, 2 samp T test, and then 2 prop Z test. But as you go through here, you'll have some other ones that refer to intervals. So the test you see here is going to refer to hypothesis test, and the interval, the 2's on there, are going to refer to our intervals, confidence intervals. Okay, and see how we have 2 samp Z int, 2 samp T int, 2 prop Z int. Okay, well we want 2 samp T int, so I'll do enter on that. Now you're either going to be given raw data or summary statistics. In this case we were given raw data, so I want data selected. If yours isn't selected, put your flashing cursor on data and press enter. Now you can't just willy-nilly put the lists in whichever one. If it says the difference between mean of region 1 and mean of region 2, you notice region 1 is first here. That means that we need to put region 1 in L1. and region 2 is second, so that means we put region 2 in L2. Now we'll use that basic idea in all the online homework here. So this should say L1. If it doesn't do second 1, to put L1 there. Then list 2 should say L2. If it doesn't, do second 2 to put list 2 there. Frequency should be 1. If yours doesn't say 1, shut off your alpha lock and press your 1. And same here, it should say 1. If it doesn't, press your alpha to take off alpha lock and press 1. And now our confidence level was 95%. So 0.95. And that'll come down to pooled. Pooled is only yes if your population variances are the same. Well, that's almost never going to happen. Then we'll choose calculate. And for this particular problem, our answer, we don't need to take it 3 decimal places. There isn't 3 here. We got negative 135.4, comma 153.4. And that would be our answer.